everyone, for purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and take this off, so in case you need to read some lips. We at Emergency Plumbing just want you to know that we are doing everything we can to follow the guidelines and work towards keeping everyone in our community healthy and safe. We want you guys to know that we are wearing masks and gloves and also shoe covers, if you can see that. And then we are sanitizing our tablets before and after. We are guiding our customers on the phone when they call in to also sanitize before we are there and after, just to take extra precaution. And we hope that if you need anything, you will give us a call. We are open and working and taking all the precautions. Please look for us on Facebook. We have lots of awesome tips for homeowners or new homeowners or other things during this time. Also, we have Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. We have a really cute kid plumber video. And then also our website is emergencyplumbingservice.com. Please find us and call if you have any questions. We're always here to help.